4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you all to the first ever NumberRoyale tournament. We are really excited about this and I hope you are too. We have almost 50 contestants who have signed up for the event and 40 of them will be advancing to tomorrow's round. So 40 of you will be advancing to tomorrow's round in the tournament. And also, if there is anybody else who is not registered, they could just play along. Just not just watch the match, but play along and see how they do. And if they're interested in it, they could jump in for the next tournament. All right. But only the people who have registered until yesterday would be eligible to move on to the next round and so on to the tournament finale and be winners. So today we have the distinct match. So make sure you give the right answers and try to make them as distinct as possible from others. You get more points and you get to move on. So just a few rules for the tournament. Let me tell them to you. And can you switch over to the notepad? So 40 players advance, no lives can be used. That was a question that was asked yesterday. So to be fair to everybody else, everybody who's playing, we said no lives. This is not an elimination, so you would not be eliminated even if you miss a question. Don't worry about it. And at the semifinal round, which is the fourth day, we will add back 3 wildcards. Meaning, if you got eliminated, keep playing. You have a chance to get back into the match, into the tournament at the semifinal stage. So we have 3 wildcards available as well. So we have all those things ready. And let's, so we've got all the other stuff. So we'll bypass on if we get points higher. Kausalya, yeah, if you get the points to be high points, you get to move on to the next round. And then, so it's simple. So 40 people advance today and then 30 tomorrow and so on until we get the 3 final winners. Okay. All right. So we have so we've got all the rules and I think I've taken enough time. So we'll bypass on the riddle for the day and get started with the match. 6, 5, 3. The desired result is 4. 8 possible solutions. Addition and subtraction are the only operators allowed. And Hariharan, as I mentioned, we'll get the riddle for you tomorrow. We've got a lot of rules to go over. So that took an extra time. And with respect to your time, I want to be mindful. Don't want to take up too much of your time. 47 is the maximum point. 37 is the lowest. 44 of you got it right. The leaders at 47. 8 out of all 8 solutions have been given. This is, as I have always said, is the sharpest crowd in the entire world. You got all the 8 solutions. Let's move on to question 2. 4, 8, 3, and the desired result is 20. All 4 operators are available. 8 possible solutions. And how do you get 20 out of 4, 8, and 3? I'm 4, 4. Oh, those are your points. Okay. Good job. I'm glad to see that you're reeling out the points. Once again, 47 was the top point getter. 8 times 3 is 24. Minus 4 gets you 20. And that's the top point getter. 3 times 8 also did the same thing. All 8 solutions have been given once again. I'm thrilled. This is, very sharp crowd and we are on a tournament mode. Everybody is warmed up and prepared. Leaders at 92 points. Let's take a look at question 3. 6, 3, and 14. The desired result is 42. All 4 operators are in play. Only two solutions. So just 2 solutions. And I'm trying to see how you're going to do this. Is it 3 times 14 or 14 times 3? How are we going to end up with, who's going to end up with the more points? 33 is the maximum point, 27 is the lower. And both solutions, of course, have been given. And 34 of you have gotten the correct answer. The leader is at 124. Remember, 40 players advanced today. So let's go on to question 4. Desired result is 2.375, 90 possible solutions, 2.125, 4.25, 1.2, and 3.3. So you have a chance to get the maximum points out of this decimal question. 90 possible solutions. So each one of you theoretically could get the maximum point. Let's see how many of you come up with the maximum points. And the maximum point, 32 players got the right answer. 45 is the maximum, and 41 was the minimum. So, the prediction was right. A lot of you got good points. 15 out of 90 solutions given. Leaders at 168. And we move on to question 5. 11, 5, 6, and 3. The desired result is 53. All 4 operators available, 8 possible solutions. And let us see, how do you get 53 out of 11, 5, 6, and 3? I don't have a clue. And yeah, then the points in this will be considered in the next round if there is a tie, Hanok. The points in this round will be used for tiebreaker. 25 of you got the correct answer. The leaders at 45 points for this particular question. The lower points is 25, and 5 out of 8 solutions given. It's 11 minus 3 is 8. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 5 is 53. And that's the one that got the maximum points, 45. Leaders at 212. Let's move on to question 6. 10, 6, 3, and 7. The desired result is 64. All 4 operators are available and 20 possible solutions. So you still have a good chance of getting a lot of points out of this one. 20 solutions. And let's take a look at who's getting it. And Samurai 007's got some emojis going. 40 players got the right answer. And maximum is 45, minimum is 36. Leaders at 256 points, 11 out of 20 solutions given. 10 times 6 is 60, minus 3 plus 7 gets you 64. Great job, everyone. We've got next question coming up, question 7. Fractions. We're looking for how do you get a quarter out of 7/6, 7 by 2, 4 by 3, and all 4 operators are available. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 4 possible solutions, and I hope you have good luck with this one. There is no such thing as lost in this Haritashri. You can continue, and you cannot use lives, and so you don't lose it. I mean, you're still in the running. 40 of you are moving on, so don't fret. It's not an issue. 3 out of 4 solutions given by 17 players. 42 is the maximum point. 36 is the minimum. Leaders at 296. And let's take a look at question number 8. 84 is what we are looking for as the desired result. 4, 17, 16, and 12 are the operands. And there are 26 possible solutions you can use with 4 operators. All 4. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are all available to you. So let's see how, if you get 222, you're probably doing pretty well. So you should be moving on. The goal is to move on to the next round, but of course, try to get as much points as possible to build up your ego and confidence. The leaders at 340 after 8 questions. 10 of you got the right answer. I guess it must have been a tough one. 44 is the maximum point. 42 is the minimum. 17 plus 16 is 33 minus 12 is 21 times 4 gets you 44 points. So 7 out of 26 solutions have been given. And let's go take a look at the final question and see how we're doing. Algebra, we're looking for a desired result of 2, 2x plus 4y, 2x plus 5y, 3x squared, 5, and just addition and subtraction. We didn't want to put you through multiplication and division or anything more complicated. 420 solutions. So you can take your pick and come up with at least one answer in the next 3 seconds as we conclude the first match. And we've got 229. Tough. No, that should probably help you go through. 383 is the leader after 9 questions. 13 of you got the right answer out of 420. So 1 in what? 30 or so. And 44 is the maximum point. 41 is the minimum. 7 out of 420 solutions given. So great job. And Prakash is screaming, oh no. No problem. I think let me explain to you what happens. We announce the winners, and if you did not make it through the next round, you would just, continue playing and try to build up your points, and you may be eligible for one of the 3 wildcard spots. Okay. But if not, if you moved on, then you would see that on your home screen after the match, whether you have moved on or not. All right. So you would know that soon after we announce the winners and take a look. All right. So let's go. I don't think you are lost. So let's take a look at the winners. So if you had anywhere at about 141 or better, you probably would be moving on. So it looks like we didn't have enough. We had only 37 players. Looks like they were total winners are 40. And so Birdie Flurry leads the pack with 383, but unfortunately he or she did not register for the tournament. But that's Lasheds is the winner among the tournament registrants with 368 points. So Cash Nasty is right behind at 338 and Veerappan at 332. So congratulations to all of you, all 40 of you that have moved on to the next. Prakash, in spite of your screaming, you're on with 303, and Sanjay is on with 300 as well. So great job. We're excited that 40 of you are moving on, and tomorrow we'll have the match and we'll whittle it down to 30 and see what comes out of it. All right. So congratulations. And this is Saktivel signing off, reminding you that without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play NumberRoyale every day, especially the tournament, which seems to be like you're having fun and we are too. Look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye for now.